What's up, adventurers? Adam and Lacey here.
Back at it with another crazy adventure. This time, we hit the road to New Mexico.
But first, Arizona had one last delicious goodbye for us.
Oh man, the house. If you're ever near there, listen closely. Get yourself one of their insane salads or hamburgers. Ugh, life-changing.
And then the Red Barn Creamery. Best ice cream ever.
We might have ordered one of everything, but no regrets.
So after the food coma, we rolled into New Mexico and found this Airbnb that was just super fun.
It had this fun vibe with a really cool light that just made everyone want to smile and dance.
Speaking of fun and crazy,
Meow Wolf House. Imagine Willy Wonka built a haunted house with secret doors, crazy colors, and hidden clues.
You've opened it.
So you found the hamster?
Yeah.
You're supposed to solve this giant mystery about a missing family? This goes over by where I put those things.
We got lost about 5 minutes in.
5 minutes is generous.
In there. To another.
I went in here, I think. I did. Make an extra?
To the Winnebago we go.
I'm sure it is.
Go through the Winnebago.
You go follow the drive. This is what we talking about. See, I told you there's like mushrooms. Mushrooms?
Bill, it's so squishy. Like, this is nice.
It's like a little couch.
Guys, sit on this.
We're up here.
I think the thing is inside the house. It is inside the house. I think we saw it. We just...
But it's still a blast. So many cool rooms. Definitely a must-see.
It's pretty big. It's like a bottle of pepper, or like a bell pepper. No, like one of those spicy ones. You know, those kind of like.
A chili pepper.
Place on the wall.
Then it was time for some classic comfort food nostalgia.
Fuddruckers. If you know, you know.
A buddy of mine worked there as a teen, so we had to honor the tradition and visit.
Still just as good as we remembered. Just hard to find these days.
And then it was time to touch the sky.
We took the tram up to Sandia Peak.
You'll see over on my right hand side our sister transport coming up to us. Once they pass us, that's our halfway point.
It was like 50 degrees at the bottom.
And snowing at the top.
Poor Eden, she forgot her jacket.
Yeah, rookie move. Had to buy her a jacket because she was literally freezing.
But worth it because on the way back down,
We caught the most epic sunset.
seriously, like postcard perfect. Nature was showing off.
Downtown Albuquerque was our next vibe. It had super cool shops.
Old school churches, little art boutiques, just strolling and exploring.
Oh, and we found this really awesome new game in one of the shops.
And then, the Breaking Bad store.
Adam's fanboy dreams almost came true.
Almost. They had a full tour, but it was closed that day.
Next time, buddy.
But hey, now we have a reason to come back.
That's the thing about adventures. It's not about seeing everything in one trip.
It's about making memories and leaving a reason to return.
So if you get the chance, New Mexico's got the food, the fun, and the adventure.
And pro tip, always pack a jacket.
Okay.
Thanks for hanging out with us.
Stay adventurous, stay upbeat, and we'll see you in the next crazy ride.
Adventurepreneurs out.